Welcome to this instructional video on how to solve the quadratic equation x squared plus 13x plus 42. In this video, we will walk through a step-by-step process to find the solutions to this equation. Make sure to follow along closely and grab a pencil and some paper to work through the problem with us. Let's get started. To solve the quadratic equation x squared plus 13x plus 42, start by looking for two numbers that multiply to give you 42 and add to give you 13. In this case, the numbers are 6 and 7. This is because 6 times 7 equals 42, and 6 plus 7 equals 13. Now, the expression x squared plus 13x plus 42 can be rewritten as x plus 6 times x plus 7. This is the factored form of the quadratic equation. By factoring the expression, you simplify it and prepare for solving the equation by finding the values of x. Since we have rewritten the quadratic equation x squared plus 13x plus 42 as x plus 6 times x plus 7, we proceed to solve for x. The equation can now be simplified to the product x plus 6 times x plus 7 equals 0. To find the values of x that satisfy this equation, set each factor equal to 0. Therefore, we have x plus 6 equals 0 and x plus 7 equals 0. Solving the first equation, x plus 6 equals 0, we get x equals minus 6. Solving the second equation, x plus 7 equals 0, we get x equals minus 7. Hence, the solutions to the equation x squared plus 13x plus 42 are x equals minus 6 and x equals minus 7. Since we have found both solutions, this is the final step of the problem. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.